Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and I'm coming to you from behind the camera today. And I just wanted to show you some beautiful flowers that we have going out the barn door today, and to let you know some of their names. If we haven't met yet, my name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranberry Fields Flower Farm here in Cranberry, New Jersey. And I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you know whenever we post another fun, free flower tip video. I wanted to give a special shout out to some of our Flower Tribe members who let me know where they were viewing some of my past videos from in comments below. So please let me know where you're viewing this from, and maybe you'll get a shout out in one of our future videos. I love to see how our Flower Tribe is growing around the globe each week. So let's check out this arrangement together, and I'm going to let you know the who's who in this beautiful vase. So we've got some gorgeous blue hydrangea. And a trick with hydrangea is if they flop early in the vase, and a lot of times hydrangeas will do that because they are very susceptible to getting their stems clogged up with like some bacteria that might be in the water. So if you have hydrangeas that flop prematurely, just take that bloom right out of the arrangement. Make sure you do it very gently, like you kind of lift it from the stem, and you'd kind of lift it right up. Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to clean out the water because there's probably some bacteria in here that might have helped cause the clog. So rinse out the water, put in some new water, room temp is fine. You're going to take your hydrangeas that had just started to wilt, and you're going to give them a good cut, at least an inch or two above the stem, because right now this guy's super clogged. I want to come up the stem. I'm going to cut on a diagonal. This is going to give me maximum water absorption because right now, oops, that wasn't supposed to happen, but that's okay. Right now I have an angle, so I have maximum water absorption on the surface here. This is like a big surface. And I'm going to do the same thing for this guy. I'm going to come up about 1 or 2 inches on the stem. I'm going to give it a clip, and I'm going to put him right away, right into this new fresh water. So sometimes, guys, when you do like a fresh cut and you keep it out of the water for a long time, it will kind of, form that scab, and then you're going to block it. So do the clip and then put it right in water. And literally within a couple hours, these guys are going to poof back up, and they're going to be nice and crisp and fresh like these gals. So they also like cold. All flowers like cold, but hydrangeas especially love cold. So if you have your hydrangeas in front of like a window and it's getting tons of sun, that might also be a reason why your hydrangeas are wilting prematurely, because they want to be cold. Now make sure you kind of catch that early in the game though, because once hydrangeas flop a lot, it's hard to get them recharged again. And then the next gal I want to show you is this beautiful orange tipped rose. Now this gal is called High in Magic, and it's going to blow open to a really beautiful yellow rose all around, but these beautiful orange tips are going to stay in place. And it's like a really nice accent for this yellow rose to have these deep orange tones on the top. And then next to them is this really fun flower. It's called Trick Dianthus, and it's a bright green, and it almost looks like a Dr. Seuss-like flower. So this is Trick Dianthus, and the beautiful thing about Trick Dianthus is that it has a really long vase life. So if you use Trick Dianthus in your arrangements, you're going to see this flower looking just as fresh 2 weeks later. So, and then it dries beautifully. So it's a really super long vase life flower. And then speaking of long vase life flowers, there's also Statice. Now these Statice flowers are fresh right now. But when they dry out, they're going to look the same. So Statice flowers dry out looking almost the same as when they're fresh. So once again, another super long-lasting vase life flower for your arrangements. And Statice comes in a whole ton of different colors also. And then we've got some beautiful little green palms. I love these guys. They're going to open up just a bit more, but they're kind of compact. So they're a super beautiful accent piece. And then we've got some Alstroemeria. And these gals are going to open up really wide too right now. So we just got these flowers and we put them into the vase, but they're going to open up. So these blooms are going to open up into beautiful, beautiful maroon flowers in just a day or two. And Alstroemeria is another long-lasting vase life flower. So Alstro will last like 2 or 3 weeks in a vase. So these are just some super flowers if you want to grab them at like Trader Joe's or ShopRite and you're looking for a long-lasting arrangement. If you want just something like a grab-and-go arrangement, you have some friends coming over for drinks or a dinner party, grab like 2 or 3 bunches, different color bunches of Alstroemeria, and put them in a vase, and they will open up and you'll have a gorgeous rainbow. Easy to do arrangement without any kind of fussing, and they'll last super, super long. So that's just a very quick florist tip. And then, yeah, so this is what they all look like together. They're really magnificent. I love these deep tones all together. And then we've got some lemon leaf that are kind of like the greens in the arrangement. And then we've got some beautiful seeded eucalyptus. And I love when there's drooping leaves and drooping seeds in an arrangement, because it just makes it that much more dramatic and that much more interesting to look at. So these are one of the arrangements that we have going out the barn door today. You guys can check out our arrangements on cranberryfields.com. That's our website. I made a free download PDF file for you that lets you know 4 of my must-have flowers for your gardens, and you can grab that in descriptions below. And we also have an Instagram channel under Cranberry Fields. Come check us out over there, say hi. And we do a lot of giveaways. We do a lot of like sunflower seed giveaways and zinnia seed giveaways from our flower farm, because we grow thousands of flowers here on our New Jersey flower farm. So check us out on, like I said, our Instagram, and come say hi to us over on our Patreon page in case you're interested in becoming a supporter of this channel. And you can also check out our Facebook group, where I welcome you guys to come over, hop on over there and give us some of your garden questions, and post some of your own garden pictures of your flowers. And there's a really terrific group of people over there. The Facebook group is called Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe. And we swap a ton of garden tips and flower tips, and we put in like some of our garden challenges and some garden suggestions. So it's a really super community. So check that out. I'll put links to all these channels in descriptions below. And I will see you guys in the next video.